Hi everyone, this video is dedicated to our new tool that we just created, AI Paraphraser, and you can, as usually now with our new apps, find it on our website, copilot.us. You can see that on the screen, and then once you're ready to proceed, just click on the dashboard button, and you can double check all the apps that we've been creating so far. Also on the top, there are very convenient filters. And today's tool, as I just mentioned, is AI Paraphraser. Basically, it will help you to clarify and make the text the way you expect it to look like. Once you're ready, you just can click open app, and here we can see that it is super straightforward and split into two parts. The left one is actually pasting and uploading the text that we want to edit, and to the right you will see the output once you play around with all the settings. Talking about the settings, you can on the top choose the format that you want the output to be. So for example, you're pasting a standard text and then you want to check if that is fluent enough. So for example, if you're working with a foreign language, that is a great tool to use to make it formal, informal, academic for students is a great way to make sure that your essays look as good as possible. Creative, simple, expand, also a great tool for students that need to increase a little bit the word count and they ran out of ideas to express in their essays, and then shorten. After that, you can play around with fewer or more changes. That just depends on your expectations and needs. And another very important thing to mention, that it supports a few languages. So just click on all languages button and then you can see how many languages you can work with. And I think that is a great way also to enhance your experience of language learning. After that, I think we are ready to jump into a few examples. So here you can see that you can either copy and paste the link, copy and paste the text, or just upload the file. The first example is going to be a few paragraphs from an article that I just highlighted, copied, and can go back to our app and paste it. After that, I think I want to make it as simple as possible. Let's imagine that I'm not really that good with English, but I still want to learn a little bit about this article and train my language skills. So I want to make it a bit simpler than regular newspaper language. After that, I want as many changes as possible, and we are actually ready to proceed and click on paraphrase. In a few moments, you can see the output to your right, and after that, you can either copy the text or download the file if you're happy with the output. In case you still want to change a little bit of the result that you're seeing currently, you can change the settings, then click on paraphrase again, and in a few short moments you're going to have the new result right here. After that, I think we are ready to proceed with a second example. So just click on the trash icon on the bottom left, proceed with yes, and now I want to show you a few simple paragraphs about climate change in 2024. As previously, I copied them, going back to our app, pasting that, and since that is a simple language, for example, I just wrote that from the top of my mind, but I need that part for my academic essay. I can choose that I wanted the style to be adjusted to academic, and then I want as many changes as possible. And once I'm done setting everything up, I can paraphrase it, and again, I will have the output right away. I think that is a great tool for people who are always struggling to make their text sound academic or with all the fancy wordings that are not on the top of your mind. Here is a great tool to make your process just a little bit easier. I'm pretty happy with the result that I'm seeing here. You can again just copy that and paste it to your presentation or the Word file where you're working on your essay. But for now, I'm just going to delete all the content, proceed with yes. And here is the last example that we're going to cover in this particular video. You can see that there is a short paragraph about AI tech advancements in 2024. But what I want to show you that we can also work with files. So basically we can download the file from Google Docs in our case, then go back to our app, choose upload the file button, and then click on open. It will take a few moments, and as you can see, all the text is extracted. And in our case, this paragraph is pretty short. What I want to do is to expand it as much as possible because, for example, 100 words is not that what I need for my essay. I want that to be much longer and expanded. So I put more changes, expand, and in a few moments I'm gonna have the same context, the same information, but much more extended, as you can see, 2 times longer. I really hope that was easy to follow this tutorial. In case you have any issues, please feel free to contact our support team. They're always there to make sure that you have the best experience with our apps. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye, guys.